Hi, welcome back. Today we're learning how to use the phrase beggars can't be choosers. This is a great idiom that you can use in everyday conversation, and I'm going to show you how. We're going to cover the meaning, and I'll show you a natural example so you can see how it's used in context, and we'll also practice the pronunciation. Are you ready? Let's get started.
So to understand where this phrase comes from, it's helpful, of course, to know what a beggar is. A beggar is somebody who typically lives on the street and asks for money. Now, as a side note, don't confuse this with a busker. A busker is a person you might see singing or playing music in public so that people will give them money. So because of their situation, a beggar doesn't necessarily have the option to choose what they want. So that's where the phrase comes from, beggars can't be choosers. And then we actually use that phrase to talk about lots of different situations, even when they're not connected with money. Let me give you a natural example now so you can see how it can be used in context. Have a look at this conversation. I'm talking to my mum and I say that I'd really like to go out for dinner this week. And my mum offers to babysit on Wednesday. And I say, oh, I was hoping we could go out on Friday. And my mum says, well, beggars can't be choosers. If you want a babysitter, it'll have to be Wednesday. You can see that I don't have a choice about when I go out because I need to rely on a babysitter. My mum reminds me of that by using the idiom beggars can't be choosers. She reminds me that I'm not in a position to choose or complain. But just to say, my mum is actually much friendlier than this in real life. We're going to practice the pronunciation now, but I just wanted to let you know that I've got some more examples on my website. You can find them below this video. Let's do the words individually and then put it together. This will help you with your pronunciation, but also help the phrase to stick in your head. Repeat after me. Beggars. Beggars. Can't. Can't. Be choosers. Choosers. Make sure you're really getting that ch sound at the beginning of choosers. Okay, and when we put it together, the T at the end of the can't often gets dropped. Let's do it from the end. Repeat after me. Choosers. Be choosers. Can't be choosers. Beggars can't be choosers. Okay, great. And one more time, really fast. Beggars can't be choosers. Fantastic.
Well done on your pronunciation practice, and remember that this is a great idiom for reminding somebody that they are not in a position to complain. Do you know the translation in your own language? If you do, leave it for me in the comments below. Thank you so much for joining me today. It's great to practice English with you, and I'll see you in the next lesson.